Good morning, dear students. In this module, we will learn about triangles and its property. A triangle is a simple closed figure which is formed by three line segments. That means the line segment AB, BC and CA, and this triangle is having three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and it is having three vertex, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Three sides and the three angles of the triangles are known as the element of the triangle. Now, triangles can be classified on the basis of sides as well as angle. The first classification is on the basis of sides. Scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are different. Suppose the three sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. As all the three sides are different, so it is a scalene triangle. The next one is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle whose two sides are same. In this case, you can take the example as 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter as well as 3 centimeter. And the last classification is equilateral triangle, a triangle whose all the three sides are equal. You can take the example as 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So on the basis of sides, we are having three types of triangles: scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangle. The next classification is on the basis of angle. First one is an acute angle triangle. A triangle whose each angle is less than 90 degree, or you can say that whose each angle is an acute angle, is known as acute angle triangle. The next one is a right angle triangle. If out of three angles, we are having one angle as 90 degree, then in that case, it is a right angle triangle. And if one angle of the triangle is more than 90 degree, then it is an obtuse angle triangle. So on the basis of angles, the triangles can be classified as acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and the obtuse angle triangle. Interior and the exterior, all the points which lie inside the triangle. Inside the triangle means all the points which lie inside the triangle are known as interior of the triangle, and if all the points lying outside the triangle, then it forms the exterior of the triangle. Now the next concept is the concept of properties of a triangle. Just look at this figure. In this figure, we are having three interior angles as angle A, angle B and angle C. This angle C is divided into interior as well as exterior side. So this exterior angle with this interior adjacent angle always form an angles of linear pair, and their sum is 180 degree. Now the first property is the exterior angle property. This property says that the exterior angle of the triangle is always equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Suppose we have to find the value of this exterior angle, and the value of A is 40 and the value of B is 70. Then in that case, the value of exterior angle is 40 degree plus 70 degree means 110 degree. Now the next property is the angle sum property. The sum of three angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. This concept you have already learnt about in your previous classes also, that their sum is always equal to 180 degree. Now, the sum, suppose we are having the three sides of the triangle, then in that case, the sum of length of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the length of third side. And if we are talking about the difference of the sides of the triangle, then the difference of the any two sides of the triangle is always less than the third side. Now the next concept is the concept of Pythagorean triplet. Triplet means we are talking about three numbers here. Suppose we are having the three numbers ABC, where ABC are natural numbers. Then in that case, how will you check that this triplet is a Pythagorean triplet or not? Now let us understand this concept with the help of one example. Suppose we are having the three numbers 3, 4 and 5. Out of 3, 4 and 5, 5 is the largest number. So what is the square of 5? The square of 5 is a 25. A, what is the square of A? A means 3 square. 3 square means 9 and B square means 4 square means 16. And 16 plus 9 is a 25. So you can say that 3, 4 and 5 they form a Pythagorean triplet. And the greatest number in a triplet always represent the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Now, the last property of this is a Pythagoras property, and this property is applicable whenever we are having a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, as you can say that this AC is the longest side of this right angle triangle. So the square of this longest side is always equal to the square of this perpendicular as well as base. Or you can say that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. I hope that all the properties are now clear to you. Thank you very much.